Hey guys, it's Bring Awareness to Breast Cancer Month, and I have a special message for you. So continue to watch, and I hope you will enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Face, and in today's video, we are sharing with you Tablescape Tuesday. Yes, guys, it's Tablescape Tuesday. Now, for those of you that may not know what Tablescape Tuesday is, every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures, you will find Courtney. The Grace Life, you will find Anna, and their channels will be in my description box below. But every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, they host this collaboration where we bring to you guys, whether it's a themed tablescape or whether it's a freestyle. Usually if it's a themed tablescape, it's usually a guest that they have, and it's whatever the guest requests. But for freestyle, we just do whatever we want to. So my tablescape today, I'm going to bring you some bronze, some pink. We are paying homage to Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So guys, not only am I going to share with you a beautiful tablescape today, but we're going to share some information regarding breast cancer and bringing awareness to it. In October, we think pink. 1 in 8 women will develop breast cancer within her lifetime. 1 in 8 women. So ladies and gents, please check yourselves. Early detection really does save lives. So not only do you check yourselves, but you go and have a mammogram, especially if you feel something that shouldn't be or that you don't recognize as a part of your body. Be sure to test your body every day. Build a heat meal plan and habits. Learn your family's cancer history. Make sure you get regular checkups and consult with your physician. Maintain a regular exercise routine. I cannot repeat this enough. Early detection saves lives. So I'm going to go ahead and put this tablescape together. Don't forget to check out the host for this collaboration and all of the participants. There will be a playlist link that you can click on and go and pay everybody a visit. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do here, but you do see I've got my materials laid out. So I'm going to go ahead and get to work and let you guys just enjoy to music. As I put this table together, my hope is that it will put a glimpse of a smile on someone's face to let you know that you're not alone. You're cared for, you're loved. And I hope that if you have not scheduled a mammogram, that this will serve as a reminder, because we know that early detection of any form of cancer is the key to a better life and a longer life. Early detection. I cannot say it enough. Early detection is the key. Hey guys, now's the perfect time for you to go and grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. As I put this table together, I hope you will enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new, like, comment, and share. I appreciate all of the love and support that I have been given, and that I continue to receive from you guys. The creators, can't do this without your love and support. So thanks. So guys, this is my final look. I decided to just leave the grapevine leaf garland as part of the decor. This absolutely gorgeous pumpkin here. You can see the metal and the bronzy look with this soft blush pink. Absolutely beautiful. This makes up my centerpiece. So this piece here is actually a wall cabinet. And so what I decided to do is just stand it here in the center. And this is one that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, I think maybe last year when they had like their 75% off sale. in the home decor section. So I was able to score this piece here. I don't remember what I paid for it, but also these candle holders. And these are the metal black candle holders, kind of like the wrought iron. And so I have these here to create this beautiful space here in the center. I went in with the grapevine garland, added a few pumpkins, and you guys know how I love to create a pumpkin patch. All of this is nestled upon this gorgeous velvet runner here, and I purchased this from Amazon. Next, I'm going to bring you out to my place settings, somewhat different on the end, but the center are all the same. This gorgeous charger, dinner plate, and salad plate I purchased from the ZGALLERIE. They had an amazing sale. So I was able to score this 4-piece setting for a fraction of the cost. Everything is, you know, buy it clearance, buy it on a budget, or buy it on sale. Never do I ever need to buy my place settings or anything of this nature at regular price. So I went in with this leaf napkin ring here, and it gives that bronzy look. Thought it paired perfectly with the napkin, and I gave it the fold so it appears of somewhat of a bow-like. Placed it in the center of my place settings. Decided to go with the black long stem wine glass. Added in the little water glass, wine goblet, whatever you choose to call it. And this is from Dollar Tree, and I think these are from Amazon. With my flatware, I went in with this set here. Thought that it would pair very well to bring out these blush pinks and bronzy colors. So guys, this makes up my tablescape for this Tuesday as we bring awareness to breast cancer. Reminder to get your mammogram, do your self-breast checks, and hopefully if there's something going on, you can spot it early on. Decided to, because the center pieces, place settings came with only a 4-piece setting, so I decided to go with this beautiful charger here on the end. Added in this other. Added in this pink plate here that goes with another set that I own. Place this clear glass on top with that beautiful gold rim around and all of the detail on the inside of it, and then rest in my napkin and napkin ring. So guys, this is it. This makes up Tablescape Tuesday. Thank you all so much for those of you that have joined in. Please go over and visit each other, and then we ask that all of our viewers go and pay a visit to everyone that have participated in the collaboration, especially the host of this collaboration. Guys, I appreciate all of you that continue to show me so much love and support. I do want to take this time to say I thank you all. And guys, let's make the most of everything. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. But most of all, if you have not had your mammogram as of yet, go ahead. See the light at the end of the tunnel? Get your mammogram today. Thanks for watching.